The Toyota Kluger speaks to extraordinary compared to other offering hybrid SUVs in Australia. The present model has been revived with another grille, LED tail lights, and changed front and back guards. However, that it isn't all. The most up-to-date 2019 Toyota Kluger has become more well-being frameworks in each trim level, making it more secure and more solid. Thus, accessible in 3 trim levels, GX, GXL, and Grand. The Kluger will offer an extensive variety of alternatives and decisions. In the engine of a 2019 Toyota Kluger will be set one motor alternative. Also, it is a similar motor which controls the present model. It is a 3.5-liter V6 motor which is equipped for making 295 ponies and 263 pound-feet of torque. The motor is mated to an 8-speed program transmission. Furthermore, it is accessible with front haggle wheel drive arrangements too. With respect to the mileage associated with front wheel drive framework, this unit gets 20 miles per gallon in the city, 27 miles per gallon on the parkway, and 23 miles per gallon joined. The all-wheel drive display is evaluated at 19 miles per gallon in the city, 26 miles per gallon on the expressway, and 22 miles per gallon consolidated. The 2019 Toyota Kluger proceeds with the same strong and snappy plan. The front end includes a sensational and somewhat forceful plan with its substantial grille and rakish, long headlamps. Moving to the back belt, the Kluger gets more regular styling. Also, contingent upon a trim level, each model will get more chrome, more dark accents. The inside of the 2019 Toyota Kluger accompanies 3-push seating design. What's more, it can welcome up to 8 travelers. The front and second lines of seats are agreeable even at long rides, while at the same time the third column is best appropriate for youngsters. The second column can likewise be substituted for commander seats, which anyway diminish the seating for up to 7 inhabitants. The base model accompanies fabric upholstery, while at the same time the higher trim levels will be offered with calfskin. With respect to the freight, the Kluger has 14 cubic feet of room. The freight space increments to 42 cubic feet with the third push seats collapse down. Be that as it may, with simply first seats up, there is a room of in excess of 83 cubic feet. Before the driver, there is a wide and useful dashboard which is outfitted with a 6.1-inch touchscreen for infotainment.